Some of the coffee beverages that we look forward to in the fall may not be the healthiest, and that is because of the high carbs and the high sugars. But they sure do taste good, right? Yeah, I know. But my pumpkin spice latte will allow you to indulge guilt-free and stay on your healthy me lifestyle track. Hello, everyone. I am Deborah. Welcome to my kitchen where I am showing you healthier versions of the foods that we love. And today I am sharing with you my Starbucks inspired healthier version pumpkin spice latte. The ingredients that we'll need to put together this spiced pumpkin latte are, of course, our coffee, some pumpkin spice sauce, pumpkin spice, and some almond milk. And optionally, you can also put a whipping cream on top. I don't have any today, so because of that, what I'm going to do is I am going to froth my steamed almond milk. Time to assemble. We've got our coffee, pumpkin spice syrup, our steamed almond milk. We're going to make it our own kind of special by adding some more of this pumpkin spice on top. Now that we've learned that we really can still enjoy the things that we love, but healthier versions of them, then keep watching to learn how to transform your diet, whether it's sweet treats or main dishes, into enjoyable, lower sugar, lower carb, more nutrient-rich recipes that even the newest of cooks can master with ease. So, if you want to eat your favorite foods but want to stay healthy, click here for my guilt-free versions of the dishes you love, packed with flavor but not the unhealthy stuff. Thanks everyone for being with me today. And if you enjoyed this recipe, then please do give it a like. And please also do consider subscribing to my channel if you've not yet done so before. And if you know someone that would benefit from what we are doing right here in this channel, and that is making healthier versions of the foods that we love so that we can continue to make this chapter of our lives the best chapter of our lives, please do share my channel with them as well. I want to thank you all so very much for being here. And remember, it is a great day and you continue to make it your own kind of special and enjoy. Oh, so good.